Compounds are classified into two, inorganic and organic, and this is based on the source they are obtained from. Organic compounds are obtained from living organisms, and organic molecules, these are present almost everywhere around us, basically from the food we eat to the clothing we wear, the medicines that we use, and even the energy in the form of petrol or gas. All of these are basically organic compounds. So in terms of life, there are few organic compounds that are very essential. You have proteins, and these are required for, these are basically present in blood, muscle, skin. The genetic information that gets passed down from one generation to the next is in the form of DNA, which contains nucleic acids, and even various molecules like enzymes, vitamins, lipids, carbohydrates. All of these are organic molecules which are required for life. Chemists were not able to synthesize organic molecules until the mid of 19th century. Before that, they were only able to extract organic molecules from plants and animals. So it was Berzelius who gave the vital force theory, and this states that synthesis of organic compounds within plants and animals required a mysterious force. It was until 1828 that the first organic compound was ever synthesized in the lab. This molecule is called as urea. So what happened was, it was a chemist called as Friedrich Wöhler, and he wanted to prepare ammonium cyanate, and he did this by heating ammonium sulfate and along with potassium cyanate, and this gave rise to ammonium cyanate plus potassium sulfate. So this was further, K2SO4 to balance out the valencies. Anyways, when this was further heated, what was noticed was this particular compound, ammonium cyanate, underwent rearrangement to lead to the formation of urea. And this was the first ever organic compound ever synthesized in the lab. Now, after this, there were various compounds that were further synthesized, like Kolbe prepared acetic acid in the year 1845. Berthelot prepared methane in the year 1856. So organic organic chemistry is basically the chemistry of compounds of carbon. This was the definition which was given in the beginning, and then it was modified to the chemistry of the hydrocarbons and their derivatives. So hydrocarbons are molecules which consist of carbon as well as a hydrogen. So here, apart from carbon and hydrogen, you have various other atoms also coming into play, like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. And all of these are bound to carbon. So there are two important properties of carbon called as tetravalency and catenation, which make it very unique, and its ability for to form so many compounds has led to the separate branch of chemistry called as organic chemistry. So in this chapter we will be learning about these compounds, what are the different types, why is carbon able to form so many compounds in the first place, and we'll also be studying about the shapes of various molecules based on the bonds. That is, like double bond has a particular shape, a single bond has a particular shape, and we'll be studying about how to name these compounds. We'll also study about the isomerism, the fundamental organic reactions, because it's these reactions which are in the end leading to the formation of other compounds, right? Methods of purification. So once the compound is synthesized, how do we purify it? Then we'll be learning about the qualitative as well as the quantitative analysis of these compounds. In the next video, we will be discussing about tetravalency of carbon.